In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a comma in a sentence or in a phrase using the keyboard on your computer or laptop. Now, commonly commas are used if you want to pause in a sentence or if you are listing items. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, I have here this day. This is your day. Arise and shine. However, if you look at it, we are supposed to pause after the word day. So to do so, we need to go ahead and insert a comma here. And to insert a comma, just go to your keyboard and then look for this key that is closer to this greater sign. It is just next to letter M on your keyboard, either on your computer or on your laptop. Now, before you go ahead and tap on it, you need to go ahead and place the cursor where you want to place the comma. And for my case, I want to place it here. So I'll go ahead and click there and then come and click on this key. And once you click on it, you can see it will insert the comma sign in our sentence. So that's how you can easily insert a comma in a sentence. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.